In our previous video, you have learnt about the properties of two-digit number, how the sum of the two-digit number along with the digit after reversing will be divisible by 11, and the difference will be divisible by 9. That all we have learnt it. Now in this video we will learn about the properties of three-digit number. Three-digit number, you know, the first digit of the left hand side will be the 100 place, therefore it will be multiplied with 100. Then the middle digit will be the 10 digit, that will be multiplied with 10, and the last digit will be, and the right hand most digit will be 1 digit, that will be multiplied with 1. So that all you have learnt it. Now let us learn about the property. Property 3 is said to you, the sum of the three-digit number and the two other three-digit number obtained by changing the digit clockwise is divisible by 3. See, let us take an example. 462 I have taken a three-digit number, 462. If 462, if you change the digit, see, 4 is here, 6 is here, 2 is here, 462 is the number. Other two three-digit number, what will form? If you go for the clockwise, 6 2 4 will be the next number. Then again, if you go further rotation, then 2 4 6 will be the next number. That is what clockwise changing of a three-digit number. If the digit changing will form other two three-digit number as what, those three summation always will be divisible by 3. And the question will become, when it is divisible by 3, the question will become 37 into sum of the digits. Okay. And when it is divisible by 37, the question will become 3 into sum of the digits. When it will become divisible by 3 into 37, that is 111, that time question will become the sum of the digits. When it will be divided by the sum of the digits, that time the question will become 111. Let us take an example, it will be easier. 253 is the three-digit number. See, if you are changing the digit clockwise direction, simply 253, 532 will be the next number. From 532, again the digit 5 will go there. 3 to 5 will be the next number. So there are three number. First is the three-digit number, and other two by changing the digit to its clockwise direction change. So you have got the summation. Summation become 1110. See, 1110, the summation will always be divisible by 3. If you are dividing by 3, the quotient will come 37 into sum of the digit. Sum of the digit will be what? 2 plus 5 plus 3. That is 10. So obviously this number is, see, 111 into sum of the digits. So if once you are dividing it, it will be 37 into sum of the digits, that is 10. 37 into 10. 37 into 10 is equal to this. Once you are dividing by 37, it will become 3 into the sum of the digits, the 3 into 10, that is, will become 30. Okay. Once you are dividing this number by 111, it will become the sum of the digit, that will be 10. See, divide this 2, it will become 10. Now, once you are dividing by the sum of the digit, it will become the 111. That is the property is all about. Now, another property is there, when the difference of the three-digit number and the number obtained reversing the digit is divisible by 9, it is divisible by 11, it is divisible by 9 into 11, 99, and it is divisible by the difference of the digits of the 100 place and the unit place. See, I will take an example. See, its a three-digit number is 432. Once you just reverse the digit, what will happen? The 100 digit will go to 1 digit, and 1 digit will come to 100 digit. 10 digit will remain same. So 432 will take, after reversing the digit, it will become 234. So difference, if you find out, difference of these two is 198. This 190 is divisible by 9. Always the difference will be divisible by 9. A three-digit number and the digit after reversing, the difference will be divisible always by 9, and then result will become, 11. Result will always become, means the difference of the digit into, I am dividing with 9. So if you are dividing with 9, the difference of the digit into 11 it will be. 9 you are dividing, mean difference of the digit is, difference of the digit 4, 100 digit and unit digit will be 4 minus 2, that is 2. So 2 into 11 will be 22. Once you are dividing by 11, it will become that time it will become, you know, the 9 into the difference of the digit, that is 18. 9 into 9, 9 is, this difference will be divisible by 9, and when you are dividing by 9, that time it will become the difference of the digit and into 11. Once you are dividing by 11, that time it will be difference the digit into 9. Once you are dividing by 9 into 11, that is 99, it will become the difference of the digit. And once you are dividing difference by difference of the digit, it will become always the 11 into 9, that is 99. I hope you have understood it. I will cover some from your exercise, the concept will be clear. That means difference, this property might be a little confusing to you. Difference of a 3-digit number and the digit obtained of a 3-digit number, unit place to 100 place and 100 place to unit place, changing the reversing the digit, that difference always will be divided by 9. Once you are dividing by 9, that time the quotient will become 11 into the difference of the digit, that is 100 digit and 1 digit. Once you are dividing by 11, that time quotient will become 9 into the difference of the digit. Once you are dividing by 9 into 11, that time the quotient will become only the difference of the digit. Once you are dividing by difference of the digit, that time it will become 11 into 9, that is 99. That is all about the property.